This is how to do the electron configuration for an element and an orbital diagram. It's going to look like these boxes filled with arrows down here. They're pretty easy to do, so bear with me. Sick and stuffy and disorganized here. So we got the chart up here at the top. I will give that to you along with this little order right here of kind of what order you go in up the chart here. So 1s, 2s, 2p, kind of follow this, okay? So your first step is for this element sulfur, you want to get your atomic number, which is the whole number on the periodic table. So here's sulfur, and here is 16 is the whole number. So that is your number of electrons, but that's also the number of arrows that you're going to draw. So we're going to start at the very bottom of this yellow chart here, which I'll post for you. Or you can follow this order over here, which says 1s goes first. All of your s orbitals all have one box. So we're going to copy that box. We're going to label the box. And then we're going to fill it with arrows, kind of like these. You're going to do one up arrow and one down. I do these little half arrows. And then that's 2 arrows, and we have to do that until we get to 16. So after 1s, we come to 2s. I'm moving up the chart here. 2s. So 2s is also one box. So I draw the box, label the box, one up arrow, one down. That's 4. So we got to keep going until we get to 16. So after 2s comes 2p. So we're going to go up to 2p. All of your p boxes or orbitals have 3 boxes together. So we have to draw all 3 boxes. Even if you don't use them all, we still have to draw them. And the way that you fill these, there's a certain rule that says that you have to fill them a certain way. So we have to do like up, 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 down, down, down. It seems pointless, but it makes a difference. You'll see at the end here. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 arrows. We're trying to get to 16. So after 2p comes 3s. So you'll work your way up the chart here. 3s is another single box. So 3s, one up, one down, that's 12. Still need 16. So after 3s, we're going to go to 3p. 3p is another group of 3 boxes. Okay. Now since we have 12 here, we're trying to get to 16. You only need 4 arrows. So you have to fill them a certain way. You have to go up, 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 down. That gives you 4. If you do it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's breaking a rule. You can't do that, okay? We have to do it this way. So that is 16 arrows. You can stop there because we want to stop when we get to 16. Now you have to do, that's your orbital diagram. You have to do the summary of what you've drawn, which is your electron configuration, and it's going to look like these. It looks like it says 1s squared here. You're going to write the label of the first box that you drew, 1s, and then the number of arrows in the box you're going to make as a superscript on the s, so 2. That means the 1s box has 2 arrows. Do that for all these that we drew. So we have 2s has 2 arrows, 2p has 6 arrows, 2, 4, 6. 3s has 2 arrows, 3p has 4 arrows. So in this big circle is what you would need to have for sulfur when you're doing what's called electron configurations.